Hey guys, and welcome to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button on your way in so you can stay updated with all things home decor and design. And if you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to dive into some of the most beautiful and interesting and inspiring shabby chic rooms that I have seen lately. Shabby chic is a style of interior design where furniture and furnishings are either chosen for their appearance of age and signs of wear and tear, or where new items are distressed to achieve the appearance of an antique. It was super popular in the mid-80s and 90s and was a really top go-to style. However, a lot of people labeled it as granny decor, which is completely false. Shabby chic embodies like soft and feminine qualities. It marries traditional style with vague farmhouse touches. It's a gorgeous look, so keep watching if you want to see how to do a shabby chic room correctly. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. guys, I hope that you all are enjoying this video. I absolutely love Shabby Chic Decor. I don't know if I could do my whole house in it, but there is just something so feminine and so soft and just so cozy about this look. I absolutely love it. If you guys have liked this video, do me a favor, comment down below what your favorite room in this whole video was. I'm so interested in hearing, and if you want to know mine, well, here you go. I love this room. It's clean, it's soft, it's cozy. I love everything about this room. I don't know how clean I could keep it with kids running around, but I love it nonetheless. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel to become part of the family, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!